Welcome and let's learn about months of the year in Kiswahili. Months of the year in Kiswahili. Miezi ya mwaka. Number 1, there is January. January. In English, January. February. February. In English, February. Marchi. Marchi. In English, March. Aprili. Aprili. In English, April. May. May. In English, May. June. June. In English, June. July. July. In English, July. Agosti. Agosti. August. September. 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 October. 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 November. 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 December. 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 Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my video.